Who is responsible for AI failures? Imagine relying on an AI system to make important decisions, only to find out it caused harm or made a mistake. Who should be held accountable? That's what we're here to find out. Responsibility for AI failures usually falls on several parties involved in the AI's life cycle. This includes the developers who built the system, the organizations that deploy it, and the users who relying on it. Each has a role in preventing or addressing failures. First, AI systems themselves cannot be responsible because they lack legal status, intent, or decision-making power. They are tools created and operated by humans. When something goes wrong, liability is assigned to the humans or legal entities connected to the AI. Developers and manufacturers are often held responsible under product liability laws. If they create an AI with flaws like faulty algorithms or poor design, and those flaws cause harm, they can be liable. This includes not only design errors but also failing to warn users about limitations or risks. If an AI is dangerous because of these flaws, developers might face strict liability, meaning they are responsible regardless of intent or care. Organizations that deploy AI systems also carry responsibility. If they do not properly test, supervise, or understand how the AI works, they could be liable for errors. For example, a doctor using AI to diagnose a patient must verify the results before making decisions. If they relying blindly on AI outputs without checking, they could be held responsible for mistakes. Legal doctrines like agency law and vicarious liability help assign responsibility. Even though AI cannot be an agent legally, courts may hold the deploying organization or individual liable if the AI causes harm within its scope of use. This approach keeps accountability clear without giving AI legal personhood. New laws are emerging to address AI failures. Some state bills propose strict liability for developers or deployers if AI causes harm, even if the harm was not predictable. There are also discussions about federal rules to create uniform standards for AI responsibility. Existing laws on data privacy, anti-discrimination, and consumer protection also apply. If an AI system violates these laws, the creators or operators can be held responsible. When developing ethical AI guidelines, organizations are encouraged to create strong governance frameworks. This means testing AI thoroughly before releases, clearly explaining its limits, and monitoring its performance over time. Human oversight is key, especially in sensitive areas like healthcare or law. Organizations should also document their processes and responsibilities, so everyone knows who is accountable. Following evolving legal standards helps reduce liability and promotes responsible AI use. In the end, responsibility for AI failures is shared among developers, organizations, and users. Laws are adapting to make sure accountability is clear. Building ethical guidelines ensures that everyone plays their part in preventing harm and managing risks effectively.